Yo, what's up? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And today I just wanted to ask you if you would like to start making $101 daily by just taking pictures with your smartphone. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure that you stick with me through this entire video. This can be done worldwide, and I'm going to show you the top 5 applications that you can install right now on your smartphone and start taking pictures and earning $101 plus daily, you guys. And make sure that you stick with me till the very end of this video because I have a little hack that I'm going to share with you that will actually help multiply your efforts and make the most money possible. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. Alrighty, YouTube fam, so let's jump straight on into this and get started today. I do not want to waste 1 second of your time because you can be out there making money selling your pictures on the internet right now. So let's get started. Counting down from number 5. First up here, we have this application called Fope. And I've tested this out, you guys. I absolutely love Fope. It's very, very simple. I submitted just a handful of pictures that I had on my phone, and literally within a couple of days, I got someone to buy them. And what Fope does here is every picture or video that you sell, they split the proceeds with you 50-50. So for example, if you sold a $20 picture, someone paid $20 for your picture, you would receive $10. So this is very, very simple to do, you guys. Like I said, if you have a smartphone and you're out there taking pictures, and you know what's really cool about your smartphones today, you guys, is they have very, very good quality cameras. You do not need any special camera equipment to get started doing this. You can do this simply with just your phone. Take the pictures with your phone, upload them through the app. No special equipment. As long as you have an internet connection to your smartphone, you can get started doing this today. So real quickly here, let me just explain something, because you're probably wondering, why would anybody in the world pay me for my pictures and my videos off of my smartphone? Well, the answer is actually very, very simple. It's much cheaper for these large brands and individual people who actually need pictures to crowdsource a large pool of people to get their pictures than to actually pay professional photographers to go out there and take these pictures for them. It also gives them a much bigger variety and creativity to choose from than just one single professional photographer. So it's in their best interest to crowdsource a large pool of people, which employs people like you and me to go out there and take pictures and start making money off of pictures just using our smartphones. Small disclaimer real quickly here too, you guys, you are not going to get rich just selling your photos online. You can actually make a significant amount of money and create a very good income for yourself, but you are not going to get rich just using these applications and selling your photos. This is a great way to make some side income that I recommend that you actually invest back into yourself to start your own online business, you guys. I've left my #1 recommendation down in the description of this video as well if you want to check that out. That's ultimately what I recommend that you do with all of the money that you're making from this. Invest in yourself, start your own online business so that you can break free from your 9-to-5, fire your boss, work from anywhere in the world, because ultimately we all want a life of freedom. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure that you check out my #1 recommendation down in the description of this video. So let's check out Fope right here, you guys. Like I said, time to make extra money with your videos and your photos. This is available in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. Looking at this over in the Google Play Store here, you can see that this has been rated by 24,658 people, you guys. Roughly 4 stars right here. People are absolutely loving Fope, you guys. Moving down the page here just a little bit more, I want to point out a few key things here because this is really important. Fope is actually even connected with Getty Images, you guys. So all the images and videos that you're uploading to Fope, Getty Images is going to go ahead and take that content and distribute it to an even larger pool of people, which helps you in turn sell even more content, you guys, and puts more money in your pocket. That is really, really cool. It's also important that you have a PayPal account, you guys, because all the money that you're earning is going to be paid to you via PayPal. So make sure that you have a PayPal account established. Jumping back over to Fope here, I want to point this out as well because this is really, really important. You can take part in these creative things called missions, and these are photos that are driven towards a particular interest. And when you do that, you can earn hundreds of dollars just with one picture or one video if your picture happens to win. Coming in at #4 right here, we have Snapwire, and Snapwire is very, very similar to Fope, you guys, where you're uploading your images and selling them online. What's really cool about this that I recommend is that you download Fope and Snapwire and any other similar applications that are like this, because when you go out there and take your pictures, you can upload these pictures to not only Fope, but you can upload them to Snapwire and the other applications as well, and actually multiply your efforts and increase your potential earnings by having more people possibly purchase your content just with the same images, you guys. One thing I want to point out about Snapwire as well is that what differs a little bit different here is that they have challenges where you can actually compete in these different specific challenges that these brands put out for their specific needs and photos that they want. If you happen to win that, what's really cool about that is that you can collect 100% of your earnings if you happen to win one of those challenges. Now, if you have marketplace sales, which is just photos and stuff that you're uploading, and by the way, they will take your actual portfolio and hand pick all of the stuff that they want to actually have on their website right here. And if any of those sell, you get to keep 50% of the proceeds as well. Just like Fope, you guys, if you were to sell a $20 photo, you would get $10. So checking this out over in the Google Play Store, I think this is really cool as well. 2,584 people in the Google Play Store have rated this 4 stars. So people, again, absolutely loving this application. Go out there, check these out, start uploading your content. You probably already have a ton of great content in your phone right now that you can start uploading and start earning cash today, just uploading that content and selling it on Fope and Snapwire. Coming in at number 3, we have this application right here called Gigwalk. So Gigwalk differs a little bit from Fope and Snapwire in the sense that you're gonna be going out and completing specific tasks in your local area by taking pictures of simply like products on store shelves, doing quality checks, doing price checks, and stuff like that. So you're probably wondering, why would anybody in the world want to pay me for just taking pictures of products on store shelves? Well, it's very, very important for these different products and brands to, see how their products are being represented in the stores, how they're being displayed, because they want to display them the best they possibly can. So they'll pay people and have gigs or missions or different tasks in that area on a map that you can accept and go out there and take these pictures, upload them through the application, and start making money literally today. So like I said, you'll download the application, you're gonna register your Gigwalk account, make sure that you have a PayPal account because that's how they're going to be paying you, and then find the gigs in your area, go out there and complete them. A couple of the really cool benefits that they have is that you can obviously have a flexible work schedule because you accept the gigs that you want, and you can go out there and do this when you have time and make some extra cash. Maybe you're actually out shopping anyways, why not accept one of the gigs, take a few pictures in the store, make some extra money. Also, you can choose gigs that are just interesting to you. They're not assigned to you. You accept all the different ones in your areas that are interesting to you. And the best part about this is you can actually choose how much money you want to make. Some of them take 5 minutes, some of them take a couple hours, and they range from $3 all the way to $100, you guys. So moving on here, they have simple reporting. Like I said, everything is done through the application. There's nothing extra, right? It all happens through the application. And then as soon as you complete the task and it's approved, it's paid out to you via PayPal. Looking at this over in the Apple App Store, you guys, you can see that this is a very well-liked application, very well respected. There's a lot of people using this. 2.8 thousand people have rated this application. Almost 5 stars there, you guys, 4.7 stars. Give this a shot, check it out, let me know what you think down in the comments. Coming in at number 2, we have this application right here called Field Agent, and Field Agent is very, very similar to Gigwalk, you guys, in the sense that you're gonna have an application on your phone, you're going to have a map, and this example that they're showing right here, you can see all these different little orange ties. If that was your local area, that would be all of the tasks or gigs or missions that are available near you that you can actually go click on, see if they're interesting to you, go complete those, and get paid in real cold hard cash. So just like Gigwalk, you guys, you're gonna download the application, reserve the jobs that are interesting to you. They'll check your answers, to make sure that they're legit, and they're gonna pay you in real cold hard cash. There's a few different ways, even with Gigwalk, just like this, where you can actually make even more money doing some extra different things. You guys, you can be a mystery shopper. You can also be doing some surveys where you actually don't even have to go anywhere. You can do this from the comfort of your own couch. You can do auditing, where you take photos and answer questions about displays and products, just like what this video is focused on, what we've been talking about the entire time, taking pictures of products on store shelves, you guys, just with your smartphones. Very simple stuff, you guys. You can also even buy and try different products, provide your opinion, keep those products, and make money doing that as well. Some of the different local area, different stores that you could be shopping at are very, very well, known places. They're not, little off the wall places. You guys, we're talking about Walgreens, Sam's Club, Target, Kohl's, Best Buy, Costco, 7-Eleven, McDonald's, CVS. So places that you're shopping at every single day, you guys. Looking at Field Agent over here in the Apple App Store, you can see here another very well-respected application rated by 9.5 thousand people, roughly 4.8 stars there, you guys. People absolutely love this. Give Field Agent a try. It's a great way to make some extra cash. Coming in at our number 1 spot, we have this application right here called Mobi, and it's very similar to Field Agent and Gigwalk in the sense that you can go out there, take pictures in stores of products on store shelves, you guys, and make some extra cash. These guys actually pay out in gift cards. We'll get to that in just a second. Now, what I ultimately recommend that you do is you download all 3 of these applications so that you can actually maximize your efforts. And what I mean by that is The problem with having only one of these applications sometimes is that you run out of tasks that are near you. If you have all three of them, you actually have more tasks. Sometimes there's even more in the same exact store that you're in, and you can go through each and every single one of these applications and maximize your efforts and make the most money possible. Checking out Mobi over here in the Google Play Store, you can see that it's been rated by 1,453 people, roughly 5 stars here, you guys. If you come through here, read some of the comments. People absolutely love this application. Check this out as well. Like I said, download all 3 of these, maximize your efforts. Go out there, start taking pictures with all 5 of these different applications, you guys. Start making money just taking pictures with your smartphone. There are no excuses right here. Be the 1% of people that actually take action and go out there and start making money. This is a great way to start making some extra cash online. So let's go ahead and wrap this one up, YouTube fam. Go out there, try that top 5 apps to start taking pictures and making money online, literally just with your cell phone. Let me know what you thought down in the comments. I always appreciate every single comment that I get. Even if you just say make money online, show some love. It helps support this channel. Make sure that you smash that thumbs up. Like I said, it helps to grow my channel. It helps get this information out to as many people as possible, and I'm very, very grateful for every single like that I get. Make sure that you're subscribed, because I'm coming out with videos every single week teaching you tons of fabulous new methods of how you can make money online. So smash that bright red subscribe box, select the bell notification, select all. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content, you guys, because I'm coming out with videos every single week, you guys. And don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online. I've left that in the top of the description. You can also find that right up here where it says learn how to make money online. That's where I got started 7 months ago, and I have had insane results, you guys. If you want a full-time income online where you can work from anywhere in the world, break free from your 9 to 5 and fire your boss, make sure that you check that out, you guys. I spent 15 years literally trying all kinds of different business models, spent tons of money, wasted tons of time, and now I'm on track, you guys. Within 7 months, you can see my results. Go down there, check out all my videos, and you can see the growth. You are absolutely going to love that. So that's all I have for you today. I will see you on the next one. Peace.